So let's say you run into an issue where you can't see your links. So for example, here in this footer, I know that I have links here, but I can't see them. And that's because the background of my footer is the same color as the color that I have set for my links in WordPress. So typically that's under customize. Depending on your theme, it could be in different places and it could be set a different way. However, it's typically under customize and there's a setting for body link color. You can typically choose your color or it will pull from a theme accent color. But if you're running into the issue where you're trying to put links on a background that matches your set link color, then you can specifically code these links just themselves to be a different color. So for example, I'm going to go here into where my footer is, and I'm going to edit this module, and you see that I have the links here on these 3 bits of text. So if I go to the text mode instead of the visual mode, you will see the same thing here, except there's bits of code wrapped around it. So what you're looking for is the href bit of code. So you have that before every single link, and then the closing tag for that is this closing a tag that you see here. So within this link, we just want to put a style. So if you click in before that ending bracket and put a space, and then type style equals quotation mark color colon, and then we're going to put the color. So for this, I'm going to choose white, but you could choose whatever color works for what you're doing. And then you need the hex code for white. The hex code is just 6 Fs. And then you need a semicolon and a quotation mark to close it, and then all of a sudden your text becomes white. So then I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to put it into any other areas that I want the text to be white. So make sure that you're in this href bracket here, and then I'm just going to paste that in there, and then I'm going to find my next one and I'm going to paste it in there. And then I can go over here and do the same thing to all of these. Now, if I wanted it to be a different color, I could do that. For example, I could grab like a hot pink and get the hex code if we wanted. And then you just make sure that you put that after that hashtag mark and before the semicolon, and you can code a specific link to be any color that you want, using this simple style equals color with the hex code. So I'm going to paste that bit of code into the caption, and that way you can just copy and paste it out, and then just remember this section here is the hex code that controls the actual color that you will use.